The JetBrain crashed. I don't know if we finished the memory or what, but I think it's unlikely to finish the memory with 64 gigabytes. But anyway, I don't know. I can put 128. I don't know. Streamlabs crashed. Streamlabs crashed. And I don't even know if we compiled it before. I should be back, by the way. If you refresh, we should be back. We should be back. Should be back, my boys. Let me know if we are back or not. Say yes if we are back. And unfortunately, JetBrain Rider crashed as well. So they crashed together, right? They crashed together. I don't understand exactly why, but they did. They did. It crashed at the end of the compilation, so it's like, I don't know. Messed up with something. Hello, hello, anyone there? Tell me if we are back. If you don't answer, I assume we are not. Maybe we are not, huh? Maybe you all left. I don't know. Okay, it is compiled. It is compiled. So let's see. Okay, let me see if we are back or not, because now I'm wondering why no one is speaking. Let me check. Yes, we are back. No? Yes. Yeah, Streamlabs crashed and JetBrain Rider crashed at the same time. They crashed together. Happily together. So the first thing we need to see is if the server even starts, right? Because now it will be loading the new definitions in the tribe recipe. It will load all these new definitions. And then it will start pretty much immediately. Let's see if we get an error here or not. Ah, wait. That seems to be fine. I mean, this is not really fine, but it's fine for our current test, right? It's not finding consumer tribe in the definitions. That's kind of weird. But yeah, it seems that he loaded properly the scripts, the recipes. Okay. Now let's see if he's crashing or whatever he's doing. In theory. Okay, I don't know when, but in matter of few seconds, maximum 1 minute, right? The tribe should start to build stuff. I mean, the first creature should here it is. So we have that. Ouch. It seems we cannot click it though. Why we cannot click it? But anyway, spawned that, which is interesting. Now, okay, now we spawned this one. This one actually is clickable. I don't know why this one is not clickable. I will have to check. Or the bounding box. I don't know. Ouch. Okay, so he built 2 buildings, right? He built 2 buildings. Now he built another building now. This one. We have. I think we are spawning 5 buildings. Okay, it is. He spawned the creature as well, and he spawned this dome. Very nice. And I think we are only waiting the last 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we did, yeah, there is one last building. There it is. Yeah, the position maybe is not the best. I don't know why it's there actually. But I don't know why it's there, but maybe I messed up the numbers. Okay, so now in theory, if we damage this building, I have to be sure that I damage it, but I damage it in a reasonable way, right? Because now I think I have an insane amount of skill in weapons, right? Yeah, I have 4,000, and this is really so. Let's bring it to 200. Yeah. So if I attack this, and assuming that I manage to do any damage. Oh fuck, I did too much damage. I did too much damage. Okay, I have to do less damage. Let me take another weapon, whatever. Let me try to lower my skill maybe to 100. Okay, let's try to attack this building. Holy shit. These buildings have very little HP. Again, let me try with 30. Yeah, we have to increase the HP a lot. By the way, this has the collision enabled. We should not have, but by the way, the buildings will be rebuilt. The buildings will be rebuilt soon. I do 220 damage. Holy moly, bro. Why I do so much damage? 30. Maybe my stats are too high. Strength 200. Endurance 190. Let me lower the strength a bit, maybe. Maybe we can take a dagger or something. I mean, I want something that does very little damage, right? Okay. Yeah, you see that the city is getting rebuilt slowly. Well, not slowly, because we decided to have little waiting time. But jeez, Louise. Okay, GG. I will just increase the. Okay, so to increase the HP of my buildings, we can just go here and under max HP, right? Under max HP. At the moment is 100. Let's do 500 for all of them. Let's do 500. So yeah, so we should see. Yeah. Now the problem is the existing buildings. The existing. No, I think we need to clear because now that we changed the H, because the buildings may have the buildings. The existing buildings in the database may have you didn't save them? Yeah, you see HP. Okay, we can make them all 500. Okay, so they're all at maximum HP. Okay, so if I restart everything now, so I didn't clear the city, yeah? So the city will be there. City will be there, eh? Okay. I believe. Actually, we needed a turret, but okay. So this thing is healing the buildings. Okay. So if I go here and I attack this, yeah, exactly. You see nest entrance. Okay. Now the problem is that when that is healed, I don't think that I see it unless I cannot click it anymore. Why? What happened? He's not healing it? In theory, should heal it by 10%, right? 10% of the max health. Every 20 seconds, we said. Does not seems to work. Huh? This one seems not to be attackable. Why? Ouch. It seems he's not healing. Why? It seems he's not healing. I don't know why sometimes I cannot click it. No, I think it's after I attack it, the target is there, but the... Yeah, but it seems that this thing is not working. This thing is not healing the building. Okay. We can debug it and see what happens. Because in theory I adjusted the HP, right? Yeah, I did it. I haven't adjusted HP, which is running now. We need to understand if that is running or not, but in theory it is. So in theory, in our tribe, right? In our tribe, in the advance, right? Here at the bottom, we execute the building logics. Building logic every 8 ticks, right? So there's, in theory, we should enter here. And but this seems not to be happening. Okay, we will debug it and see. We will debug it and see why, right? Maybe it's not ticking, I don't know. Maybe it's not ticking as expected. I don't know. Let's see. There is definitely something not working. But the buildings are spawning, which is nice. I don't know why one is spawning on top of the other. Let me just see the position 1 second. Tribe recipe. Reserve spot, right? -4 plus 6. Plus 6 plus 4 -4 -6 plus 4 plus 6. Yeah, they should be all, you know, they should be all at the opposite side of a like a square, right? Like in a square. But it seems that -4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 -4 -6 plus 4. Yeah, exactly. Why? These two actually. Wait. These two. 6 and 4 and 4 and 6. Ah, yes. Wait. So they are not correct. There should be 2 positive, 2 negative, 2 positive, 2 negative, and 1 negative, 1 positive. This one is fucked, I think. This one should be 4 minus 6. Okay. Yeah, okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. Okay, let me see if this is starting. No, it's not starting at all. Why? Okay. Well, we don't even need the client, right? We can just check if this is ticking or not. Also because the building should be, I think they are damaged. In theory. No, they are not. Interesting. We didn't save the damage. Didn't save the damage. We don't save the building damage to the database? Okay, that's possible. That is very possible, actually. That is very, very possible. But that's fine, actually. So let's see if we go through this tick, but I'm pretty sure we do. And let's see which kind of values we get, okay? Maybe there is something wrong there. So 8 ticks is 2 seconds, right? So it should happen basically immediately. Here it is. Okay, so we are ticking with a tick of 8 and we are setting, let me see if this code, this is all new code, eh? So how many assets we have in our city? We have 6 assets. Weren't they 5? But anyway, we have 6 assets. Ah, there are 2 mopeds. Why there are 2 mopeds, by the way? Ah, because I changed the spot. Ah, fuck. Okay. Fine. Because I changed the spot and he's considering it's a new location. Okay, fine. I mean, it's not supposed to happen. So it's fine anyway. We have... so you already built another... You already built another... moped. Wait a second. Why didn't consider this a building? These all building spots. And no, these are not building spots. Building spot constructed. I see. So we have to check constructed. We don't have to check building spot. I thought, but anyway, I thought that we were changing from building spot to building, but obviously we are not. So yeah. So basically this code status. Status constructed. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, so we have to do, so this check needs to be changed, right, to status constructed. Exactly. And the same here. Okay, so maybe now it's gonna do something. Maybe now, my boys. Maybe now. I think we can also lower the HP. But we will not see it anyway, because, yeah. We have to go in game, do damage, and then see the... It works, eh, somehow. It works. I mean, at least the piece works. At least the piece is definitely working, but we need to understand if we can make also the other piece working. I think we can. I think we can. Okay, recompiled. Okay. Yeah, now it's iterating, yeah. Yeah. Now it's iterating and considering the current values are... wait a second though. When we exit from here, we should have... Yeah, you see? Max rate fire buff 1.5, max damage buff 1.5, HP buff 1.5, healing rate 20, right? So actually, we buffed all of the... Yeah, all the buildings are buffing something, right? It seems to be working fine. Seems to be working fine now. No, we don't have a shooting turret, but okay. So if I if I attack this, right? And hopefully I do some damage. Come on. Again, now it doesn't want to do damage. Okay. So the bar is at the M of dome, right? Now, every 20 seconds... Every 20 seconds, in theory, the healing thing should heal this. By 10%, so this bar should go up. Now, I don't know if it's going to go up automatically or I have to click it again. I think that at the moment I have to click it again. That is my feeling. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Every 20 seconds, right? It seems he's not healing this. Why? So let's see if we enter in this one. Ever. Yes, we do. Max healing 1. No, what do you mean max healing 1? Are you crazy? Huh? Max healing 1? Why? No, wait a second. What do you mean max healing 1? Max healing 1. Because it's an integer. Okay. Yeah, because I wanted to do it with HP. And then I decided to make it a percentage. And then I didn't change the percentage back to a float, right? So... So I changed it here. But I didn't change it in this variable. So 1.1 is actually going to 1. And then 1 is doing nothing, right? That is why. That is the only reason why. Can we make can we add a turret and see if it does more damage? Well, no, let's do one test at a time. One test at a time. Let's test first the healing and then we test the shooting, okay? Because it's already a mess like this. Can I remove the wrong moped? Moped 7158. 71, 71, 71. 71.58 exactly. So if I remove... I don't know what happens if I remove only the item from the world, if it's gonna remake it or not. Wait, I'm a bit lost. I need item instances. I need item instances here. I need item instances. And I need this line. Okay, let's delete this line and see what happens. Huh? So basically here we have the tribe thinking that he has the item, but the item is actually not there. And I don't know if the tribe loading will fail or... but I don't think so. Bam bara bam 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 bara bam. Drum roll. Let's go. Let's go with the drum roll. Let's go. Okay. So we try to damage this thing. Okay, we damaged it. It's on the M of Dome. Then in 20 seconds, this thing should go up. I don't think it goes automatically. I think I have to click on it. It's not going up though, why? It's not going up. Come on, you can do it. It should be 20 seconds, no? Because, yeah, 20 seconds. No, it's not healing. He's not healing. I mean, I assume he's not. No, it's not. He's not healing, boys. Fuck it. Why? Do we get an error or anything? No. Okay, we debug it. Strange, huh? Because in theory should, but... or we are not pushing the new value to the client. Which actually is a possibility. So the client doesn't see it. Maybe this thing is healed, but we don't see it on the client side. But, I don't know. That's a bit strange, actually. That's a bit strange. You don't find your little tune on the screen? What do you mean? Where is gone? There is one. Yeah, you're right. You are in the pit. You were behind the chat. And also Dotted Fish was behind me. So let me just see if now if now the healing is 1.1. Yeah, the healing is 1.1, yes. So do we enter here or no? Yes, we enter here. Get max HP multiplied by 1.1. Ay, wait. No, this is not correct. Huh? No, this is a mistake. No, this is a mistake. This is a mistake. I mean, I need to heal. I need to heal by 0.1, not by 1.1. Right? 0.1 of max HP, which is 10%. Here I'm trying to heal 110%. I'm trying to heal 110%. And it's not working because this is then going in. And the check that we just added, right? The check that we just added. Oh fuck, I pressed the wrong key. But anyway, the check that we just added, we just have it return. Yeah, exactly. So it's not adjusting anything. Okay. That's a mistake in the definition. That's a mistake in the definition, my boys. Easy. Should be 0.1, not 1.1. So it's the percentage we want to heal. Understand? Do we still have all these people watching the stream? I don't know. Like Middle, Siad, Lootmonger, Mydrong, Gram, Flogram, Burning Cog, hello, Hilly, hello. So I don't know if I want the collision of these things to be... but probably yes. Let's keep some buildings with collision because I want to do some tests with collision as well. Okay, but the problem is that on this building, right? On this building, we have a wrong definition, right? Unfortunately, this definition at the moment is in this blueprint, right? In theory, it should be in the database. In theory, should be in the database, right? Yeah, this 1.1 is obviously wrong. Should be 0.1, right? Should be 0.1. 0.1. Okay, let's try again now. I'm so confident it will not do it with debug. I will just do it normally. Let's go. Perhaps they lurk. Yes, maybe. No, I think they came through the raid. They came through the raid, and so maybe they just have the stream open, you know. It's fine. It is fine. Look at this beautiful pool. Huh? Beautiful pool. Look at that. You can cook in this, huh? Spaghetti. Ah, I said spaghetti. And now the spaghetti monster will arrive. Okay. So we try to damage this building. Okay, we damaged the building. Now it is at the M of dome, right? Ah, one just arrived. And this in theory now should heal for about 10%. It doesn't. Or 20 seconds are very long. Ah, I did now. Okay, let me see if it increases while we have it selected, but I think it will not, right? I think it will not because the adjust HP, I don't think it's sending a message to all the ones that are connected to say that this thing gained HP. Yeah, in fact, I think if I click on it now, yeah, it is higher, right? Yeah, and now it's slowly healing. Now, it will be nice, you know, if there was like a visual effect of the healing, right? Like a particle, like a bzzz, like a bzzz, like a particle on top, like a healing effect. Yeah, you see that now it's going up. Yeah, it's going up. I think we did something stupid in the code because I'm saying that if the thing is greater than the max, we just don't do anything, while we should at least reach the max. Yeah, true. So it will stay at 90% now. No, mistakes were made. Yeah, this code is fucked. If we cannot exceed the max and we are exceeding, just return the current HP. Stupid bitch, no. If we cannot exceed the max and we are exceeding, just max. Just go up to max. Right? So we have to go up to max. Right? Exactly. Okay, that was a small mistake, but basically these buildings are actually healing, right? So now what we want to do, we want to do damage to this guy. Do some significant damage. Okay, that's significant damage, right? And it will start to heal, right? But if we destroy the healing building, so if we destroy this building, which is actually the healer, complete. Oh fuck! I cannot. No. Why I cannot attack it? No! Bro, I can attack everything except that one. Isn't that kind of funny? I can attack everything except this guy. Why? Because the collision here is set stupidly? PS item blocking attackable. Collision. Collision. Yes, it's not attackable. Okay. Okay, now we will be attacked. What? PS attempt blocking attackable. Okay, no. Yeah, it was not attackable. Okay, fine. So we will try to destroy this building, right? And see if the stuff doesn't heal anymore. But I think that now is the time to spawn a turret. To spawn a turret and see what damage it does, right? So the turret will be maybe here, -6, -6, okay? The turret will be -6, -6. So we want another building. Wow. We want another building? Yes. We want another building. So in the recipe, there will be clone 111. Build tribe turret. Tribe, not tribe. Build the tribe turret, okay? And it is called tribe. No, wait. It is called tribe trap. No. Let's keep it the same name, otherwise I go crazy. Yeah, tribe trap 2. Yes, which points to trap through. Yes, which is the other one. Yes, exactly. So no, let's call it tribe trap 2. Tribe trap 3 would have been even more weird sounding, but recipe please, here. So tribe trap, yep. And tribe trap, yep. Okay. So now we will reserve an additional spot, right? An additional spot that is -6, -6, and is our turret. Okay, now we need to say to the tribe that we want to build it. And so we will put it here at the back. Tribe trap 2. Build tribe trap 2. Okay. Okay, so now we have a lot of things to test, eh? Now we have a lot of stuff to test, my boys. Because there will be the turret shooting, right? And the turret will do more damage until one of the buildings is there. Drum roll, let's go! This drum roll maybe wakes up also the people that are lurking, you know? Maybe. Okay, the turret is not built yet, but it will arrive very soon. And they will shoot me, I guess. Ah, it's there. No. Did I fuck up the position? Yeah, I fuck up the position. Why I fuck up? Well, it's the same. I mean, any position, but I don't understand why -6, -6. -6, -6, 0, right? Yeah. Why? Ah, it's very close to this. Okay, anyway. It's probably colliding. But anyway, there is the turret, right? There is the turret. So if I go close, you start to shoot me, right? You start to shoot me. How much damage did it do? It did 30 damage. Yes, but we didn't boost the damage yet. Yes. We did a mistake. But anyway, I can try to destroy the turret, even if it's in the wrong place, but it's fine. Can I attack the turret? Yes, I can. So I can go here, take some damage. Try to destroy it. Please, kill it. Ah, she will kill me before I kill her. Do it. Okay, I destroyed it. So now, I'm gonna destroy this. But this is getting healed, and the turret is getting rebuilt. Oh my god. So let's try to attack this. What do you mean you must face the enemy? I'm dead. Okay, let's see if this guy is getting healed. Hopefully he will. Mope it, right? The turret is back. Fuck it. Mope it is not getting healed. Please do. Come on. Heal it. Longest 20 seconds of my life. Huh? Okay, it did. It did heal, okay? It did heal. It just took a bit, but it did heal. So now if I damage it again, so, okay, we are at the P, we are at the P. Ouch! Now I go here and destroy this thing, right? No, I cannot attack it. Why? Fuck! Why I cannot attack this? I saved the file. I saved it. It is PS item blocking attackable. Huh? What the hell? What do you mean? Wait a second. What, that's the only building that we want to damage, and it cannot be damaged. That's kind of funny. Why that building cannot be damaged? Block all dynamic. Huh? Huh? No, I don't understand why. Why I cannot attack this thing is the same as all the others. Well, in reality it's not, because I changed the collision and I kept the complex collision as simple. What do you want? Going waiting? Okay. Yeah, I can damage everything, but I cannot damage this. Fuck it! It's the one that I need to destroy to see if he's not healing anymore. What is the... I mean, I can damage every building. Except that one. Because the complex collision... I can damage everything except this. Except this, because the complex collision is making a mess. Yeah, but even if we have the... What? No, I don't understand. Why. Why? Why? PS item blocking attackable. And what kind of maybe it's the mesh, it's the mesh that is messing up. It's the mesh, wait. It's the mesh. Block all, project default. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely different between the two. I mean, that's for sure. Because I use complex collision as simple, but I don't understand. And attackable. Wait. Huh? I don't know why these panels are always hard to. You know, attackable is false on this thing, right? Attackable is false on this thing, but is attackable. Because his father, which is this one. No, but this father also doesn't have the freaking. Why? I think we said that buildings are attackable by default, right? You see this? Set is attackable true. I mean, why only that one? Okay, let's try to change the... Okay. Let's try to change the complex collision. I think it will make no difference, actually, but... because you see, this thing has a collision, right? I mean, is smaller, I mean, it's more precise than the others, but definitely has a collision, right? The same as this guy has collision, the same as this guy has collision. So this one just has a better collision, but okay. Hello, Wide Art Life. Need to pick it up and replace to reset its property after the attackable change. Nah, it should be loaded. In theory, it's loaded in startup, right? So it'll be loaded at startup. So whenever we start, and when we do this, we restart everything. So, but anyway, let me put project default. I think it will make zero difference. I mean, is this building deriving from a different class or what? This building is deriving from what? It's deriving from PS Interactable Actor. And this one is deriving from PS Interactable Actor. So exactly the same. One of the differences is that this building has a particle effect. Wait a second though. Wait. This mesh is empty. Why this mesh is empty? That's the problem then. Wait. Wait. Yeah, there was a bit of a mess because this object has been converted to another, and there were two meshes. Okay, let's see now. Pa para 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 raram, pa para para param. Para pam. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Okay, now I should be able to attack it. Hopefully. Okay, yes, I can. So what we want to try, right? Apart that the turret is there and will attack us. So let's do it with this guy, right? We try to attack this guy. So now he's at the sea. I mean, he will heal a bit, but... I mean, we have to destroy this, so it will take us a bit. Not much. He healed itself, you see? He healed itself. Okay, we destroyed it. We destroyed it. So now, in theory, until it's rebuilt, that I don't know how much time it would take. But this thing should not heal itself, right? So this is at the end, okay? It's at the end. And so this should not go up anymore until this one respawns, and this one will respawn because it will be rebuilt anyway by the city. So we want to see this thing remaining there for at least 20 seconds. Ah, it's rebuilt already. No! So now it will go up. Yeah, unfortunately. So how do I destroy it completely then? I think there is no... So basically we need to add one more rule to our system, which basically says when the central building is destroyed, you significantly increase the time of everything respawning, right? So that would be the idea. But I don't see this thing healing though. Why? This building respawned. I don't know if the respawn building is the same as the building that is built the first time. Ah, yes, he healed now. He healed now. Okay. No, I think he's working. Now, to prove that this is not healing while this is not here, but anyway. Now the second thing that we want to do. In fact, you need a group to destroy a monster city alone is impossible. Yeah, that would be the idea. And this is very small, right? This is a very small town. But you could have, like we were saying, right? You could have a wall system, right? You could have a wall system. Right, so you could have, you know, the central hive, right? Then turret, which is already super annoying. Then you can have the other buildings here, right? And then you can have maybe the turret. Let me do them differently. But anyway, no. I wanted to do them in a different color, but anyway. Turret. No, maybe it is too many, but anyway. Then maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 turrets, right? And there may be another layer, and there may be the fences, right? The fences. Fence. So a city can actually be fairly big, right? Plus, yes, plus the consumer aggro, so they will attack you while you are trying to destroy the city. So I think it will be fairly... Depends how complex we make it, depends how many HP, you know, how many HP the city has. Obviously, how powerful are the players, because certain players are very, very strong, so maybe they destroy everything with one hit, you know. So we will have to see. Now, so the HP. So for example, now this thing probably is full again. Yeah, you see, this one is nearly full. This one is nearly full again. Now we need I think we need a visual effect though, right? So we need a visual effect for healing. We need a particle effect for healing somehow, otherwise... By the way, there is no... is there an effect for when you hit? No, there is no effect when you hit. I mean, you see the bar going down, but... Why the nest entrance is at this level is not going to 100%? That is a bit strange though, huh? Did I fuck up again the code for healing? If it cannot exceed and the current HP plus the delta is greater than the max, the new HP is equal to the max. New HP is equal to the max. Return new HP. But new HP... What? Huh? But no! Sorry, I'm messing up here. The new HP, right? The new HP, the new HP should be HP max minus current, right? So that is the new thing, right? And otherwise it will stay as the delta, right? And then we do for both of the, so yeah, actually fuck it. Yeah. Sorry. Like this, right? Because the new HP, we just use it to return it, but it's the delta that we have to change. So if the delta is too much, we just do the delta, which is max HP minus current HP, right? How much is missing. And then we just set the delta and we adjust it. But if the elixir is broken when the city leader dies, no, it's just that the code was wrong. But yeah, good guess, but no. Okay, so now this now is zero collision. Ouch. Okay, there are a few things that we want to test, right? We want to add. I mean, there are a number of things that we still have to do, right? Maybe let's list them here. Let's list here what we miss. Okay, so what we miss and we have to do is addition. So change damage code to use the buff, right? This we have to do and we didn't do it. So the turret actually does damage. The turret does damage, but it's not doing more damage because that guy exists, right? Damage code to use the buff, which is the buff of damage plus speed, right? Plus speed. Speed. Okay. This we need to do. Then we need to create a new particle for 4/damage, because at the moment when I am attacked, right, I get this fire attack, which makes no sense, right? This, right, makes no sense. So it should be like a slash and a splash of blood. I don't know what we want to do, but definitely not a fire, right? Not a fire thingy. The same slash damage for turret, right? Then we need the same new particle for the other trap, right? For the gas trap. So this gas damage for the gas trap. So we have to do that. Then we need to do this guy. So the fact that when there are more buildings, that guy gets more HP. So it's very hard to destroy. So we have to do central nest, hard to destroy when other buildings are present. So we have to do that. Then I think it would be very nice to have the spawning stop when but anyway, that is a bit harder, so I would not do it probably. Then we have to test the fences, the barricades, right? Test the barricades with collision and understand how that works, right? We have barricades which are we have these barricades, right, that we made yesterday. And this barricade, by the way, you can shoot through, so that it's considered that the turret can shoot through this barricade and will still hit you. So we can put these barricades all around the city. What else we have to do? And then we have to do, yes, that when you attack the building, the villagers attack you, right? Whatever, the creature attack you, right? So they should, this should be easy though. This should be easy because we already have a perception for tribe attack. We just have to trigger it when you attack one building. Then it will be very nice to do this one, which is the slowdown, right? The slowdown I don't know how to do, but I think maybe we will do it in a next release. But I think it would be cool to have the slowdown work. Slowdown of players on Moped. Yeah. And then when all this is done, we will have to create some sample city layouts, right? So with sample city layout, I mean what we did yesterday, right? The barricade at the moment they are not, but we should, yes, we should summon them, yes. We should summon the barricade, yeah. I was already in the right place. Fuck. So now the other problem may be the layout of the ground, right? But we will see. We will see. We will see. The layout may not be super easy, but we will see. So basically what we are saying hive, right? Hive, for example, turret, you know, rotated properly. I think the turret should not be too many, otherwise it's a massacre, right? But turret, for example, right? And then we go, I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's fine. It's anyway a village of weird creatures. And maybe we here in between, you know, there are these other buildings. Building 1, building 2, you know, building 3, building 4, right? And then outside of this, maybe there is another round of turrets, right? Maybe more distant, and maybe can also be not in the same. Yeah, maybe in front of the buildings, actually, right? Maybe in front of the buildings, yeah. So like this. And looking in that direction, yeah. Right. And then there may be barricades somewhere, right? I don't know where we want to put them. I mean, if all around or only... But I think actually it could be all around. So for example, this could be a first a kind of a first city layout, right? Well, I don't know if I want to call it a city, but anyway, a first whatever layout. I mean, it needs to be adjusted a bit, but fine. Now, the only thing that we have to decide is if you can go through the barricade. My idea is no, you cannot go through the barricades. So you will have to destroy the barricades to be able to go through them, right? And if you don't do it, then the turrets will attack you from the back, right? Pretty much. And maybe I can create one variation of the... I can create one variation of the barricade so that it's not all identical, right? They look a bit like the German pretzel, but anyway. Yeah. I think, for example, this could be, you know, starting layout, and obviously you will have creatures as well, right? You will have some creatures here that are just like walking around, and I don't know if they can really walk around, but we will see. I mean, right? So yeah. So I think if we create something like this, right, and maybe in the middle there are there are resources or something, right, so that the players want to have, this would be good. And then this can expand even more, right? So there can be different stages. There can be different stages to the city. And then, you know, and then we can have, maybe when the city is fully built, maybe these guys can become the alternative versions, right? Because we have 3 versions of right? We have 3 versions of these guys. You know, the red one, right? This red one, this green one, which by the way, I don't know if you notice any similarities, right? But yeah, it's the same texture. It's exactly the same texture. Yeah. Maybe we will make other buildings as well, but I think that is a good start, right? I don't want to go more. I mean, for now, I think that is kind of good, right? Yeah. I think at the end these buildings are not bad. I think these buildings are not bad. So do you think the player should destroy the barricades before going in or not? I think yes. I mean, it's at the end he can just destroy one barricade, right? So he doesn't have to destroy them all. You can just destroy one barricade. The problem is that if you destroy one barricade and he goes in and it takes too much time, the barricade will be rebuilt, and so at that point it will be trapped inside. Right? It will be trapped inside. So, you have to be very careful on how, and certain buildings can be impossible to destroy, like maybe the middle, until there is more stuff, right? Now, okay. GG. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go, but thank you for watching, and we will continue with this. Hopefully, will work. I mean, it's not very simple because, yeah, at the moment the city can build itself, right? So in theory, we have all the pieces, right? And the city also defends itself. Like if I go here, now the range is fairly short, right? I can make the range as long as I want, right? And I think these guys will not attack, right? Will not attack. Unless you attack the buildings. Like if a building attacks you, they will not attack you, right? So it's just a warning, right? A warning that you have to go away. But if you insist, you start to attack the turrets or whatever, they will try to attack you. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I think it was good. We made definitely some progress. I'm happy about that. And yep, I will see you tomorrow afternoon around 4 p.m. around that time. And we will continue with this, probably. I don't know. I can also take a pause, but let's see. Let's see if we want to continue with this or do something else. Let's see. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you. If you want to click follow on Twitch and subscribe on YouTube, that's a very good idea and very appreciated. And also if you want to download our game, is available here to download. You can test it for Windows, Linux and Mac. Easy. And here you have all our socials. You can connect with us if you want. And if you want to help the game, let me know. And there is a bunch of stuff to do. Bye.